Another bill on the table, another crack in the wall. City screams in silence, I feel tired of it all. Hands smelling like effort, days heavy as stone. I carry the weight, but I walk it alone. Clock keeps on laughing, stealing pieces of me. Dreams stuck in traffic, nowhere left to be. Faith in my pocket, dust in my mind. I keep searching answers I never can find. When the noise gets louder and the walls start to close, I hear a low engine calling my soul. I ride my bike through the pressure, through the anger and the pain. On two wheels I remember I'm alive again. The road is my shelter, the wind is my friend. Every mile is a prayer that keeps me standing. People selling illusions, hope wrapped in chains. Saints and sinners drinking from the same rain. I learned from the night and the scars on my skin. Some battles you lose just to know who you've been. When the world feels broken and the sky falls in, I twist the throttle and I breathe again. I ride my bike through the pressure, through the anger and the pain. On two wheels I remember I'm alive again. The road is my shelter, the wind is my friend. Every mile is a prayer that keeps me standing. I don't need redemption, I don't need a sign, just a